welcome to another episode of Fix It with Patrick. Today I'm working on my IRobot i7. It's basically the similar robot to most of them that are out there of the Roomba series. They don't really vary too much. Today I'm going to look at, you can either replace or just clean out this front wheel here. Really probably every 6 months or so. Take a look at this and get this cleaned out. Pretty easy to do. We'll show you how to do it real quick. Just take any screwdriver, and you can actually just put a little leverage on here. Pops right out. And you can take all the, usually builds up here, a little pin inside there. And you might want to take a look at in here too. We'll just dump out all the junk that might be in there. Clean it out real good. And then we'll just, to reinsert, you drop one end of the pin in first. Lean the other end in. It's not actually in all the way. You gotta push it down to pop it in. I don't know if you heard that, but just pop a little bit. See how much better it spins there? That'll just make your robot, the wheel not slide or anything. But if you bought another replacement wheel, this one's getting kind of worn. Maybe I might change this one out as well, but it's fine too though. Okay, thank you.